Welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to make your files available offline in Google Drive. This feature is incredibly useful if you find yourself needing access to important documents without an internet connection. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a mobile device, ensure that you have the latest version of the app installed from your App Store. If you're on a computer, simply navigate to drive.google.com in your web browser. Next, find the file you want to make available offline. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, or any other file type stored in your Google Drive. Once you've located the file, look for the three dots next to it. These dots represent additional options for that file. Now, click on the three dots next to your chosen file. A menu will appear with various options related to that file. Here, you will see an option labeled Available Offline. Click on this option to enable offline access for that file. Once you click Available Offline, Google Drive will begin syncing the file for offline use. You'll notice a small icon indicating that the file is being prepared for offline access. This process may take a moment depending on the size of the file and your internet speed. After the sync is complete, you can now access this file anytime, even when you're not connected to the internet. A green checkmark will appear next to the file, confirming that it is available offline. In summary, making files available offline in Google Drive is a straightforward process. 1. Open the Google Drive app. 2. Locate the desired file and click on the three dots next to it. 3. Select Available Offline from the menu. With these simple steps, you can ensure that your important documents are always at your fingertips, regardless of your internet connection status. Thank you for watching. Enjoy working with your files offline.